AtlanticNet is a data services company across the board. We do own and operate a data center here in Orlando, Florida.
We run this data center 24/7, 365. For a company like us, we grow as we get more clients and as our existing clients grow also. We looked at other UPS providers, but no one could compare to the BladeUp unit.
You could buy a cabinet, have that cabinet wired up and ready to go, and then put modules in as you needed to monetize them.
The biggest part is being able to service them myself. That's the number one aspect of why we went with BladeUPS. If a large UPS breaks, then the whole system goes down. With the BladeUPS units, there's actually different modules inside the cabinet, and they're able to fail over by themselves. So if you have the 5 modules in a cabinet, one dies, the rest take over the whole load. We provide 100% uptime guarantee.
Sort of like NASA, where failure is not an option. If you're going to be a viable hosting solution provider, you really need that 100% uptime commitment to your clients.
In Florida, in Orlando, during the summertime, we do get thunderstorms.
Anybody asks us, when do you test your generator, when you test your equipment? All summer long. And most of the issues we run into are not outages per se, where we lose power. It's just fluctuations. And the BladeUPS gear does a very good job of dealing with those fluctuations, because with the high efficiency mode, when they're operating in that type of pass-through mode, if you will, it deals with those sags and those spikes very, very, very well.
Then you also have the human aspect. We have an occurrence before where a drunk driver actually hit a light pole. The UPSs did carry the load fully to the generator. Generator picked up and was running for over 2.5 hours.
When you're in a situation where you have clients that literally they tell you they're losing $100,000 in a minute, and they are, then you can't have that.
If we don't meet our 100% guarantee for uptime, there's a certain percent that we have to give back to the customer.
So you can't have a single hiccup.
Our right lane racks are out there on the floors. We have about 75, I believe, of them. We actually really like them because of the handles they have on them.
The fit and finish is incredible. They're basically very clean, well designed and well manufactured piece of equipment.
We use this maintenance bypass units from Eaton. We're actually just going to put in one of their new units. We're going to test out putting the maintenance bypass inside the BladeUPS cabinet itself to save some room on the wall for our dedicated server room. We actually use Eaton's power disconnect switches, the remote power panels that we call RPPs, the power distribution units that convert the power from 480 volts to 208 for the BladeUPS units themselves. We use all the ATSs, the static switches for our old infrastructure from the 9315s that we actually currently still use. The Eaton support team has been great.
The other vendors, I can tell you from experience and talking to all of my different clients here in this facility, they're not attentive and they don't provide access to the people who actually can give them the right answer. We've seen much more direct attention from Eaton about, okay, we care about this product line, let's take care of this. Definitely go with the BladeUPS offering from Eaton. It allows you to basically build in quickly, monetize it quickly in terms of your return on investment, and and the gear's dependable, so you can count on it to get the job done.
And it allows us to be even better at our game because of our association with Eaton.